My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Vook. It is also known as VOOK ransomware, and this ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Vook ransomware from the DJVU family may be easily injected into the computer. Very soon, users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this Vook extension to the file names, and as a result, it is just impossible to use the files. The ransomware also tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay that ransom. The ransomware is called Vook because after it encrypts files, it appends this Vook extension to the file names, and whenever you try to open the specific file, you would get a message indicating that Windows can't open that file with the Vook extension. The same applies to all other files. Now, I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So do not skip this very important step. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know all their exact locations on your computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.